In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make real money trading using candlestick patterns. If you're ready to take your trading game to the next level and maximize your profits, stay tuned because this is one strategy you don't want to miss. Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Kuldeep Kaka, and I share tips, strategies, and insider secrets on how to dominate the markets. Today, we're diving into something powerful: candlestick patterns. These are reliable and easy-to-spot patterns that can help you enter trades at the perfect moment. Section 1. Explaining candlestick patterns. So what exactly are candlestick patterns? Simply put, they are sequences of consecutive bullish or bearish candles that indicate strong momentum. A streak of green or red candles can signal that a trend is likely to continue, giving you the opportunity to jump in and profit. When you see 3 or more green candles in a row, that's called a bullish streak. This often suggests buyers are in control, and the market could continue upward. On the flip side, a bearish streak with consecutive red candles shows that sellers are dominating, which could push the market further down. Section 2. Key rules for using candlestick patterns. Now that you know what candlestick patterns are, let's go over how to use them to make profitable trades. There are 3 important rules you need to follow. Rule 1. Look for streaks of 3 or more candles. For a reliable signal, look for at least 3 consecutive candles of the same color. Anything less than that is too weak to act on. Rule 2. Use volume as confirmation. Always check the volume. A strong candle streak with increasing volume means the momentum is likely to continue. Low volume means the streak might fade quickly. Rule 3. Set tight stop losses. Even the strongest streaks can reverse, so it's crucial to set a stop loss just below the previous low for bullish streaks, or above the high for bearish streaks. Section 3. Trading strategy. When and how to enter. Now that we know the rules, let's look at a practical example of how to trade using this strategy. Here's a 5-minute chart of stock/crypto pair, showing a strong bullish streak. Identify the streak. We have 5 green candles in a row. This is our signal. Check volume. Notice the volume is steadily increasing, confirming the strength of the buyers. Enter the trade. We enter right after the 3rd candle closes, making sure to ride the momentum. In this case, I'm setting a stop-loss right below the lowest wick of the streak. Exit with profit. Once the market pushes further, you can either set a trailing stop or close your position after a set target is hit. Section 4. Risk management. Like with any trading strategy, risk management is key. Never risk more than 2% of your account on a single trade. Use leverage carefully, and remember that even the best setups can fail. Trading is all about probabilities, not guarantees. Section 5. Bonus tips for maximizing profits. Before we wrap up, here are a few bonus tips to maximize your profits with candlestick patterns. 1. Use larger time frames for more reliable patterns. While you can trade streaks on any time frame, higher time frames like the 1-hour or daily chart provide more reliable signals. 2. Combine with other indicators. Add a moving average or RSI to confirm trends and avoid false signals. 3. Backtest your strategy. Always backtest your strategy on historical data to ensure it works before risking real money. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth trading strategies. Let me know in the comments if you've tried using candlesticks before or if you have any questions. And as always, happy trading!